everyone, this is Janelle Ocloo of Lojo Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with your immigration legal matters. Okay people, so today's video is about naturalization, okay, filing for U.S. citizen for those green card holders who have been married to a United States citizen. All right, so first of all, let's go back and talk basics. Generally, in order to qualify to naturalize to become a United States citizen, you need to have been a permanent resident. That's a green card holder. You need to have been a permanent resident for at least 5 years in order to qualify for naturalization. Now, there is an exception to this general 5-year rule, and that exception is found in Section 319A of the Immigration and Nationality Act. Okay, folks, I'm not going to get all technical legal on you. Basically, it's the 3-year exception, okay? And that is that for permanent residents who have been married to a United States citizen for 3 years, they actually qualify to apply to naturalize after 3 years without having to wait for the full 5 years, okay? So quite a number of people know about this 3-year process for people who, for permanent residents specifically, who have been married to a United States citizen. But I just want to clarify some things because, you know, people contact us here at Lojo Immigration and like I said, they know that, oh, hey, I'm married to an American citizen, so instead of having to wait 5 years to apply for naturalization, I can do it after 3 years. But there's some things that, you know, you have to be clear on, and that is that it's not just simply that, you know, you've been married, meaning you have the marriage certificate for 5 years, but you actually need to be what the law specifically states as, quote, living in marital union, okay? So you and your U.S. citizen spouse, you need to have been living together for 3 years. So for people who are separated from their spouses or just the marriage, you know, if you are not actually together, you know, if you and your U.S. citizen spouse are not together, then this, you know, the 319A is not, it doesn't really apply to you, and you need to consider the full 5-year program for applying for citizenship. And of course, you know, just to make clear, you needed to have been a permanent resident for 3 years, married to this U.S. citizen for 3 years, and then the person qualifying through, that person needs to also have been a United States citizen for 3 years, okay? So folks, that is the special provision for just a bit of a faster process for permanent residents to apply for naturalization when they have been married and, quote, living in marital union with the United States citizen for at least 3 years, okay? All right, so if you think this maybe applies to you, or you have questions, it's not clear, or, you know, even before you kind of spend money to send in your application, it's always a good idea to talk to a qualified legal professional about your specific situation. And of course, you can contact us here at Lojo Immigration. Find us on the web, www.lojolaw.com. Okay, folks, if you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share. You know, this is information that we want lots of people to know about. So please share this video. And as always, don't forget to click to subscribe so that you can get more updates from Lojo Immigration. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.